Hey, what's going on guys, Asad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the document element, or you can say document object in the DOM elements. No, DOM doesn't include the document at whole, it's the part of the DOM. So there are many objects, this is the one of them. So inside that, just create an HTML and create a template and write hello world and start the server. The moment you do that and go to console, you can see there's nothing. This is on purpose. And when you type document, you can see there is something of a thing which is the full to HTML from here. So this is the way it does. This is the API of our HTML document. So this is how we manipulate the object. So how are we gonna do that? There are many ways. So these are the part of our document elements. There are like here attributes, console, document, and element, event. And now what we're gonna do is write hello. So the moment we click it, you can see it's changed the object. So the full to, we can do this like type anything. We can also pass something like h1, and here h1 we can see there's a h1 too. So this is the way it works. And these are the total APIs of that document. So we can call any of one of them, it doesn't matter. So in the future we're gonna go through one by one, not all though, but most of them, I guess. You can create comments, create elements, which we gonna talk further. And there are like cookie, document.cookie. Those are to connect with the backend. So this is the way it does. So we will go further in the next episodes. So that's it for today's, guys. And yeah, the things you need to have a clear understanding of: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Well, I don't know what I'm typing though. So HTML, we all know HTML, so it doesn't matter. CSS and JavaScript. So these things are we needed before you can start this tutorial. So hope you understand all those. So see you guys in the next tutorial.